Good morning friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkat and we are going to learn today about the formation of the possessive case. How the possessive case is formed. There are many ways to be formed possessive case, but in this video we are going to learn 3 ways. So let us see. First one, rule 1. If the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and s. Once again I repeat, if the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and s. So here I have written apostrophe s. And then again there we can find 2 symbols, 2 signs. First one is apostrophe, second one is comma. Now what is the difference between these 2 symbols? So generally when we write apostrophe on the top, whereas comma will be down. It will be down. So like that we use those symbols or marks. Now let us look at the examples. First example, the girl's toy. So here girl is a singular, that's why apostrophe yes has been used here. In second example, the elephant's tusk. Again here the elephant is a singular, so that's why by adding apostrophe yes we have made its possessive case. So this is one rule. And then the second rule is, if the noun is plural that ends with s, plural and which ends with s, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. Remember once again, if the noun is plural and that ends with s, then the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. We should not use apostrophe yes, only an apostrophe. That's why in bracket I have written only an apostrophe. Now we can say a few examples here. Teacher's day. Once see here, teachers, it's a plural. That's why we have written here only apostrophe after yes. Now, boys' hostel. So boys, it's a plural ending with yes. That's why only apostrophe. And third one, grandparents' day. See, grandparents, plural, and we are using only apostrophe. And then fourth one, officers' club. Again here we can find a noun which ends with yes. It's a plural noun, that's why apostrophe. So in this way also we can form possessive case. So this is the second rule. And then now we can say the third rule. Third rule is, if the noun is plural that does not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe yes. So here in English there are nouns which can have plural forms but not ending with s. They won't end with s, but still they are plurals. So if we have such nouns and its plural or this possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe yes. So this we need to remember. Here we can see examples here. Children's day. See, children is a plural but it's not ending with s. Then in that case we have to take apostrophe s to form its possessive case. That's why apostrophe yes, even though it is a plural. The reason is it's not ending with s. And then in the second example, women's day. Women's day. Again, women is a plural but it's not ending with s, so that's why apostrophe yes. So like this the possessive case is formed. It is formed in 3 ways. Still we have other ways that we will see later. So now let us see one task sheet here. Let us see a few examples. First one, men's wear. Men's wear. So here men, it's a plural, it's not ending with s. So it comes under rule 3. That's why I have written here 3. That means here it is rule 3. Second one, bird's nest. Singular. Bird is a singular and that's why you have taken apostrophe s. So it comes under rule 1. That's the first rule. And then in third example, birds' nests. See here we have plural noun and ending with s. So that's why we have taken here only apostrophe and it comes under second rule. Okay, rule 2. And in fourth example, gents' washroom. Gents' washroom. Okay, so that's why here again it's a plural ending with s, so that's why only apostrophe. It comes under second rule. And next one, Mother's Day. Again here we can find mothers, it's a plural which is ending with s, so that's why we have used only apostrophe. Again it comes under second rule. And the last one is my friend's birthday. So here my friends, here friend, it is only singular and that's why we have taken apostrophe. Yes, my friend's birthday. One of my friend's birthday. Okay, so here friend is a singular apostrophe. Yes, and it comes under rule 1. So in this way we can form possessive case. So I hope you have understood how to frame possessive case and learn so many other ways and some you practice on your own. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it and